Welcome back to the trials and tribulations of FBK Racing. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. We got the heaters going. We made it over to Advance. We're going to go in there in a second, get us the oil pressure switch and socket, change the oil, see if we got oil pressure. Oh, and it snowed. Dude, we're at Advance. We got oil pressure socket. He's getting a socket, oil pressure switch for us. They have a shop cat. Hello, kitty cat. Me too. Meow. Can we take you with us to the racetrack? Little kitty? We need a trailer cat. Bro, what happened?
He's got extra digits.
Dude, give me a high 6. Yeah, and what are we buying, Dad?
First thing in the morning.
Dad's Garage, open 24/7.
Full service.
Shout out to this guy. Give me our YouTube channel. Is that okay?
Yeah.
FBK Racing.
Yeah.
Your name is?
Chris.
Chris helped us out. Got us an oil pressure switch, socket, gloves for Colin because he forgot them, and a receipt. We're good to go. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You guys take it easy. Good luck.
Shout out to Advance. And where are we?
East Earl.
East Earl. Sick. All right. Dude, the mustache was better than yours.
And went this way.
And mine. He's like the cat with 18 paws. Blue Ball Machine Company. Hell yeah. Did you know, brother? It's supposed to be dry on the inside? Not wet. Okay. Oil pressure socket's about to be changed. I mean the sensor. Then Colin's going to lay on the floor. Put the drain plug back. Look at him peering at us through the hole there. Put the drain plug back in. Put the oil filter on there. And we'll fire it up in here and make sure we got oil pressures. Yeah. Alright, this is going to be the moment of truth. We got oil in it. New filter on it. Fresh tune-up in it. Good startup. Alright, shout out to these guys. Hooking it up with stripper glitter because I forgot mine. I'm an idiot. And that's what we need. Big Wang. The Big Wang gang.
Got Ric Flair drip on the back.
Woo! 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 Styling and profiling. Fuck yeah, Ric Flair. Alright, Colin's gonna get in it. I'm gonna give him a little tutorial on what to do. Tires are cold. Yep. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have Colin turn the data logger on. go. Now what you do, just put it in second gear, because first gear will just annihilate the tires. Put it in second gear, bring it up on the trans brake, and let off the button, and don't spin out. Alrighty then. Well, it actually worked. We might need to put a little power into it, actually. That was second gear. Huh. Huh. We'll all be dipped. Hell yeah. Brother. Brother, it hooked.
I don't think I was floored, but it went.
Try it again, but in first gear. And do a little burnout over there. I'll meet you over there. Alright, I looked over the data log. I don't have it pulled up here because I don't want you to see my secret sorcery stuff that I don't know what's going on.
There's a bunch of squiggly.
But it hooked in second gear, as you've seen in the video. And the reason it hooked is this guy with his clod hoppers was trying
I'll
to...
put it this way: the throttle pedal's here, and the transmission pedal's here.
Yeah, there's ample room for your foot,
Yeah.
or your toes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna have a little exercise on throttle applications. Alright, well, let's get the rear cover off of it, get the bottle out of it, put the bottle in front of the heater so that warms up. We'll go
Take the other bottles out of the truck.
correct, bring them in here so they're
Still have running.
half-ass warm. And yeah, go pay our buy-in too. This motherfucker. Let me see that. Let me see that.
He was standing next to me, and he goes,
That's all right. That's all right. Yes. Buy has to go first.
and then you were gone.
All right. So, how we feeling now, buddy? Turn right to go left, or what?
I did that yesterday.
Did you?
It is right. If you turn right, your front wheel.
There's JoJo. Look at you guys in your matching jumpsuits.
I got real race shoes though.
You guys need to have what do they call it on? Shiesties.
I got one in the truck.
Okay.
Yeah, but his feeding.
Tacked in.
It's cold.
It's cold. These guys have warm boots on. And we're in the lanes way back there. Obviously, you know, he got to buy. I think I might have mentioned it. He got to buy. So, we're out here. There's a lot of people here. And it sounds like cars are going down the track, so we're going to go up there and see what it looks like. Let me clean this screen off here a little bit here. Yeah, it made it work. Might not have fixed it, but anyways, we're walking through the pits here and trying to figure out tire pressures with these DR3s. There's a lot of guys on the DR3s. Everybody says that they're running 15 pounds, so we'll see what happens. Oh shit! Here goes Colin. We'll get the slow roll. All right, Joey's about to make a lick. I'm gonna decide which lane we go into testing. But Joey gets to buy round 2 because his opponent broke, so we're off to a good start. Ranger action here. Ranger in the left lane, Ranger in the left lane. Let's see if Mitch gets down. Woo! Is not gonna lie. Motherfucker hit the nitrous and then hit the brake pedal.
I don't know how that occurred because I don't know.
Hey, A to B.
It went down.
A to B. It went okay.
I got back in it.
The draggy didn't work, but that's good. Race the track, not the draggy. Yeah, we drive 5 hours and we get to draw each other, baby. Little nitrous on nitrous action. All right, recap. He did okay. He didn't hit the nitrous till 3 seconds, and we'll recap that later on in this video, but Joey's going on to round 3. He got lucky. Do a burnout. Yeah. Now we're gonna go get some loaded tater tots and put the truck in the trailer. Watch Joey go a couple rounds, and
I did a wheelie, just saying that. I did something cool.
Ready? Wheelie.
Hey, who's got the video? Break out the video.
I'll drop the video. Wheelie clip here. Okay, let's do some tater tits. We gotta make our outro, boy. Get this. Okay, we won't say that in the video.
You can't have that. You
Why?
didn't win.
Shut up. Wow.
It's my crap.
Yeah, we know what you
Hey.
thinking of.
What?
Go give this to Cody.
He's a real.
All right, here's our outro. Golf cart's loaded. Joey's car's not loaded. He's cold, aggravated. He won a PB, his personal best slowest.
That's dead ass the slowest I've ever been.
Yeah. And that's the fastest Colin's ever been.
Almost had him.
You never had your card.
Car. Took you guys long enough.
Smiling about. Dude, I almost had you.
You almost had me. You never had me. You never had your car. Granny shifting, not double clutching like you should. You're lucky that 100 shot of NOS didn't blow the welds on the intake.
Well, I did learn one thing. I'm done racing in the cold.
Yeah.
I didn't enjoy it.
Let's go to Florida.
This is my second day in a row racing in really cold weather. It's stupid. Why do we do it?
Yeah, so that concludes this video. We lost second round. Joey lost third round. Now I can go home, warm up. Yeah, I'm not even mad that we lost to a big block nitrous car.
I don't even think the nitrous was working.
The nitrous was working. I seen it. So make sure you go hit that like, share, subscribe button, and follow along for the next video. That will be in 4 months when we make our next race. See ya.